Hello everyone, thank you for watching. Today I introduce you these snacks. Doo-doo. Tortilla with basil. I like Mexican foods, tacos, burritos, and the tortilla with the hot sauce and mild sauce. Also, without sauce is very good too. Anyway, I try to eat. Oh, smell basil. Oh, first of all, I feel basil. It tastes like Mexican food, but also tastes like Italian food. Very good. One more. Yeah, first of all, I feel basil, and later salty, savory. Oh, very good. Wow, savory. This is very good. I need a beer, wine. Then texture is crispy. Very good. And please take a look. Top value. This is a private brand of Aeon, which is the biggest supermarket in Japan. So, top value is very cheap and delicious. This is within $1. Very cheap, isn't it? If you can stop by Aeon, please find the top value series. You will be able to get the cheap snacks and the delicious snacks. Thank you for watching. See you next Sunday. Bye.